banned.
Yes. Where are you from, madam?
No smoke.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. Where are you from, madam?
Yung Pilipino,
Oh, I'm from Indonesia, madam. Good to see you, okay?
Philippines, you're Philippines.
No, I'm not from Philippines. I'm from Indonesia. Indonesia.
You speak Tagalog o no?
No, I speak Spanish, madam. Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás?
I'm sorry you smoke no because you're dangerous, okay? TikTok is banned, okay?
Okay, no problem, madam. I can understand what it
Okay?
is, madam. So it's okay. Thank you for your suggestion.
Smoke is off camera, okay? Okay?
Yes,